Planning Umrah? Meet Nusuk Saudi Arabia's official app that streamlines your journey from visa to rituals. Let's explore how it works for your pilgrimage. Nusuk is your essential digital platform, managed by the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah. It empowers international pilgrims to apply for Umrah visas, book permits, accommodation, and transport directly. This eliminates intermediaries, offering a seamless experience in multiple languages. First, download Nusuk and register. Choose your country, enter your ID or passport, then create your account. Next, apply for your Umrah permit or entry slot directly. Browse and select from integrated packages or individual services like accommodation, travel, and tours. Complete your secure payment to receive instant confirmation and track your status. Always have your digital permit or QR code ready for mosque entrances. Nusuk also offers practical tools like prayer times, Qibla direction, and a list of du'as to enhance your spiritual journey. Some users find permit slots appear only a few days ahead, so frequent checking is key. While permit checks aren't always enforced, having yours is always safer. Remember, children may require separate permits. Always save screenshots of your permit or QR code as a backup, especially where internet access might be unreliable. Nusuk is transforming how Umrah is booked and managed. It reduces bureaucracy and gives you greater control over your sacred journey. If you plan to perform Umrah, download Nusuk early, explore its features, and book your permit in advance. May your pilgrimage be smooth and accepted.